Hi there. Today I will guide you through how to convert a Google Sheet into Excel without losing the format. And this process is very simple and easy. And for getting access to the Google Sheet, we have two ways. If you are using Google Chrome, then here you will see multiple dots. Click on these dots, and here you can see the icon Google Sheet. If you will click on this option sheet, you will get access to the Google Sheet. But if you are not using the Google Chrome, then in your Google Drive, if you take a look on the left top, you will see an icon New. Click on it, and here you can see the Google Sheet. You can also get access of Google Sheet by clicking on the option Blank Sheet. But I will get of it through Chrome. It is the Google Sheet Online. Click on it and let me tap on the option Sign In. Now here are my templates which I created in the Google Sheet. And this one is the monthly budget. I want to convert this template into Excel format. So once it will be open and you think your sheet is ready and you want to convert, then click on this file icon which is on the left top. And here you can see the icon Download. Once you'll take your mouse on Download, here you can see Microsoft Excel. Click on it and it will start downloading. And after the downloading, I'll show you Excel file. Here you can see if I open it, it's opening in the Excel format. Click on Enable Editing if you want to do any changes in this sheet. And it was the way by which you can do it quickly.